So it's the first week of October. Summer is a distant memory now. It's much cooler and it's just a matter of clearing more beds, to be honest, at the moment. Getting tidied and cleared. It takes me quite a while to get everything cleared, ready for the winter. It's a long process. But the bed which I'm going to be clearing today is the runner beams and French beams on these big support here. It's going to be a hefty job, I have to say that now. There's around 40 to 50 bamboo canes on this, and the beams have all dried up now. All the pods have gone all dry and the plants have died off. So I'm going to be saving the beans for next year's seeds, and also some of them beans for eating as well. I always save my seeds every single year, especially beans. Why buy bean seeds when you can just save your own every single year? It's so easy. And then this bed here is going to be for the elephant garlic and normal garlic. So yes, it's a pretty big bed, to be honest. And there is some well-rotted horse manure down the middle, in between, in the middle of the wigwam, so that's not even being used. So that should provide us with nutrients for the garlic. Now I just want to show you guys what I am doing when I'm clearing these bean plants. When I clear them, I'm not actually removing the roots from the ground. I'm actually going to cut the stem just above the ground like that, leaving the roots in the ground, because beans are nitrogen fixers, which means that the roots contain these little nodules which contain nitrogen, which, if I leave them in the soil, they will provide nitrogen for plants going next year. Just look at all these beans here. These are purple podded French beans. The variety is called Blue-Hild, and they are really nice for just saving the beans for eating, sort of like an alternative to haricot beans. But yeah, these will be really nice. So that's the bean bed all cleared now. I'm going to plant the elephant garlic in here. I'm going to add a little bit of bloodfish and bone, and there's already some well-rotted horse manure in here as well, so there's plenty of nutrients to get them going through the winter months. So elephant garlic requires a well-draining, fairly fertile soil in a sunny location, which gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. And well draining soil is really important because you don't want them bulbs to rot. It's now the 2nd of October, so I can now start planting the elephant garlic. You can plant them anytime from sort of September to December. So I'm planting them around about 6 to 8 inches apart, and I'm doing the holes around about 5 or 6 inches deep. I'm going to add a little bit of bloodfish and bone in there. That will give it some nutrients for the winter. And I'm putting the bulb in like that and covering it over. And it is as simple as that. Remember to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you can see whenever I upload new content just like this. That's all for now. Happy gardening and enjoy it no matter the weather. I will see you in the next one.